Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Kokiri Forest on piano using an easy method. We'll start by finding middle C, which is often near the center of your keyboard. Then, identify the first three notes of the melody, C, B, and A. Practice playing these three notes slowly and evenly to get a feel for the rhythm. This simple beginning will build a strong foundation for the rest of the song. Now, let's focus on the right hand for the first part of the melody. The initial phrase uses 5 notes, C, B, A, G, and F. You'll play C, B, A, then repeat C, B, A. After that, transition to G, F, G, A, B. Remember to keep your fingers curved and relaxed. Practice this section several times until it feels natural and flows smoothly. This is a crucial step in mastering the tune. Moving on to the second part of the right-hand melody, we introduce 2 new notes, D and E. The pattern begins with D, C, B, and then repeats D, C, B. To finish this section, play A, G, A, B, C. Pay attention to the rhythm and try to maintain a consistent tempo throughout. This part adds a lovely variation to the main theme, making the song more engaging and fun to play. Finally, let's add a simple left-hand accompaniment to enhance the sound. For the first phrase, use a C major chord, playing C, E, and G together. When the melody shifts, switch to a G major chord using G, B, and D. Play these chords lightly, perhaps once per measure, to support the right-hand melody without overpowering it. This simple addition will make your Kokiri Forest sound much fuller and more complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.